Good evening, friends. Today we are discuss about the topic for exam analysis. 17th January, which is the longest national highway. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana is related to what? So many questions are available in this video. You can watch it. Which is the longest national highway? Which is the longest national highway? National Highway 44. National Highway 44. And then National Highway 44 connected from which two places? From Srinagar to Kanyakumari. From Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Which city is called the City of Pearls? City of Pearls, Hyderabad. What are given goods? These questions are related to economics. Given good is a product that people consume more of as price rise, and vice versa, violating the basic law of demand in the microeconomics. When price rise and the law of demand is also related. Okay. Then what is the measurement using voltmeter? What is measured using voltmeter? Voltmeter is used to measure direct current or alternating electric current. Direct current or alternating electric current. What is the Article 72 in Indian Constitution? Article 72 provides President with the power to grant pardons, repressive and respects. So these are the Article 72. Where is the headquarters of United Nations? United Nations headquarters, New York. United Nations headquarters, New York. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is related to what? Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is related to what? It's gas cylinder. Free LPG gas cylinder for poor peoples. Okay. Then what is the plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris means calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Who was the head of the Archaeological Survey of India in 1944? Who was the head of the Archaeological Survey of India in 1944? Mortimer Wheeler. Mortimer Wheeler. Then what is the Startup India related to? Startup India is related to these questions is related to schemes. Previously, Ujjwala schemes is also asked, and also this question also schemes related questions. What is the Startup India related to? Intent to catalyst startup culture. It's related to culture and build a strong and inclusive ecosystem for innovation and entrepreneurship in India. It depends on culture. Okay, where is the United Nation Unicity located? United Nation Unicity located. All exam compulsory asked headquarters and United Relation Organization. Where is the headquarters? So this topic is very important. Previously, United Nation headquarters where is it is? These questions are asked. That is New York. Similarly, in these questions also headquarters related question. Where is the United Nation University located? Tokyo, Japan. So headquarters questions, international organization headquarters questions very important for all exams. So you can first study it. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Time to save. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Time to save. The first female speaker of Lok Sabha is who is the first female speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. First female speaker of Lok Sabha, Meera Kumar. What did what did R.D. Banerjee discover? R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro, the oldest and best preserved settlement of what we now call the Harappan culture or the Indus Valley civilization. R.D. Banerjee discovered Mohenjo-daro, Harappan culture or the Indus Valley civilization. Okay. Who is founded the Nalanda University? Who founded the Nalanda University? Kumaragupta. Who founded the Nalanda University? Kumaragupta. Compulsory each and every question papers are minimum 4 to 5 questions are asked in history topic. Who will be the 47th Chief Justice of India? Chief Justice of India, Sir Arvind Bobade, was administrative oath as 47th Justice of India. 47th Chief Justice of India by President Ramnath Kovind. Justice Bobade 63 succeed Justice Ranjan Gogoi. Previously Ranjan Gogoi, now present Sarat Arvind Bobade. Then the first extensive excavations at Harappa were started by the first extensive excavations at Harappa were started by Rani Badudaya Ram Shani in 1920. In 1920, Ram Bahadur Daya Ram Shani in 1920. The first extensive excavation at Harappa were started by Rai Bahadur Daya Ram Shani in 1920. Barometer measures Barometer measures atmospheric pressure. Barometer measures atmospheric pressure. Who is the first human robot? Who is the first human robot? Sophia. Who is the first human robot? Sophia. Google Chrome is a Google Chrome is a web browser. Google Chrome is a web browser. This is repeated question. This is repeated question. These questions are previously asked in on exams. RRB, NTPC 2020. So these questions are repeated questions. Google Chrome is a web browser developed by Google. World Health Organization headquarters. This is third one. This is third one. Headquarters questions are third one in the question paper. In this question paper, World Health Organization headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. A common unit of electric current is unit of electric current. Unit of electric current ampere. Unit of electric current ampere. Chandrayaan-2 launch date. Chandrayaan-2 launch date. Next day, Chandrayaan-1 launch date asked. Today, Chandrayaan-2 launch date asked. That is 22 July 2019. 22 July 2019. You know, 104 satellites are launched by whom? Which country? India. 104 satellite launched February 14, 2017. Maybe these questions are asked upcoming exam. So you can concentrate this question 104 satellite. And the smallest satellite, which satellite launched smallest satellite in India? Kalamsat V2 around 1.26 kilogram. These questions are these two questions are very important. So you can concentrate on these two questions. 104 satellite and the smallest satellite. Article from 153 to 167 is Part 6 of the Constitution deals with the state executive. Article 153 to 167 is related to state executive. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Time to save. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Time to save. Thank you.